Oh, yeah. It's like $5. Get your come out, go with the hotel,
Oh, okay. There's a bunch of places on Sunday now that are running this, what they call it, it's 25 people a year.
just get out.
Yeah, with cost.
Yeah.
Give you an idea.
25 cents next one.
No, not in the U.S. Yeah, bunch of places that are running
You
it.
can be cost 25 cents.
That's, well, you gotta know that's
So you can do the morning stuff out of the bathroom.
or what is it, free range? No, it's a ship that she populated itself. It's made there.
Oh, HRD.
Yeah, it's that. Like this, the other way.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alaska Airlines would like to be very first to welcome you here to Los Angeles time, 9:25.
First stop on the 947 coming in, like airport, 747.